convict participated in the gruesome murder of 5 human beings, one of whom was identified, while 4 never been identified. Much as I mentioned one as a patron who used to work at their shrine, Ssebuyungo. One deceased was buried in a sitting position, and others had missing bones like thumbs and jaws. Collecting human blood and burying it in pots alongside the dead bodies in the shrine. 5,000 was the most despicable inhuman act that deserves condemnation with the loudest sound from courts of law. This case also reveals that a lot is happening in shrines that camouflage as traditional healing centers. This case also reveals that a lot is happening in shrines that camouflage as traditional healing centers. The convict trained his accomplice in crime in the most primitive trade in human sacrifice. Unfortunately, many may fall prey to such wicked beliefs that human blood and human sacrifice can save one from many things, help one acquire wealth, and in this case, promotion in the police force, and so many other empty promises. With the increasing trend in trafficking of human beings for ritual sacrifice, it's only fair and just that a deterrent sentence is given that will make the savage trade fair and attractive. It is just but certain. One of the victims fell into the trap after being lured by a police officer, which poses a challenge in fighting cases of human sacrifice. The gruesome murder of human beings and buried them in shrines, which are filled with spears and articles of witchcraft, should be an area of concern when it comes to the traditional healing and herbal medicine in this nation of Ghana. This case has proved that a lot happens behind the name of traditional healing in some shrines, where the witches and wizards believe in evil spirits. The convict claims he was indoctrinated by the father. It is not known how many people his father killed and murdered in the shrine. All this point to an urgent need to have specific legislation controlling and regulating those who engage in traditional medicine. There can never be any justification for killing as human sacrifice, for it is barbaric, savage, evil, and a clear manifestation of a perverted mind. The loud voice this court can use to denounce evil practice of murder in the shrine, camouflaging as traditional healing, can only be through the sentence. In this case, the convict participated in the ritual of human sacrifice of 5 human beings. 4 were buried in a shrine that was properly cemented, while 1 human skull was buried in a bucket of witchcraft figures at the entrance of their business place at shrines. In this particular case, court needs to pass a sentence that will denounce the unlawful conduct of murder in the shrines resulting from acts of human sacrifice. It must serve as a deterrent to all those practicing human sacrifice and those indoctrinating others into the evil. Considering the circumstances under which all the 6 counts were committed, where 5 lives were lost, the convict is sentenced to life imprisonment on each and every count. And since he has but 1 life, the sentence is at 1 count. You have the right to appeal against both conviction and the sentence.
I'm Chigonya Deo, coordinating community watch members under the gender-based violence program in Mukono district. There is a case of human sacrifice which was recorded by journalists and us as investigators and researchers in Nazigo sub-county. I understand the culprit has been sentenced to life imprisonment. But there is a police officer who was also involved in that case. In this case, she's the very person who took the person who was sacrificed for his or her own ends. We call upon the judiciary, the police, and all other law enforcers to see to it that justice is made even to all those officers involved in such cases, so that the case gets to be put to an end, but also involving all the other legal officers who are involved in such practices.
My name is Nabasedana. I'm a community development officer from Nazigo sub-county. In 2017, if I would recall, we faced a problem in our community that in one of the shrines around Kisoga village, that is in Nsima parish, there was a witch doctor. There were two actually in number, that there was bloodshed in their shrine that day. And after the proceedings of the court, one was sanctioned for 30 years actually, 30 years imprisonment. The other one, for the same offense, as life imprisonment. I take this opportunity to thank the judge for this penalty that this man is going to face for the rest of his life, which is life imprisonment. And hopefully in our community others will learn from that incident never to do it again, because it's a shame, and we lost 5 people in that incident as a community. At least if we would lose that one, others will learn from that.
Nze Collins Kafero, nze mvunanyizibwa ku ddembe ly'obuntu Kayunga district. In 2017 we received information through the Office of RDC and security operatives that there was a man who was engaging in sorcery and performing witchcraft in Kisoga area, Nazigo sub-county. That man affirmed to us that the police officer, certain police officer, wanted to be promoted, but in his promotion, he was supposed to sacrifice a human being who was produced a girl, a younger lady. The younger lady was slaughtered like an animal. To the parents and the community and us, human rights activists, that act was not good to us. It pained us, and in so doing, I appreciate I appreciate the judgment which has come today over the same issue to that gentleman. But also the bereaved family, also in charge issues of rights of persons in the district. I wanted also the police officer to be charged for the same offenses, because these families, there were many families who found bones, skulls, clothes of many people whom they have been murdering and doing witchcraft on, that it would be of good benefit to us, human rights activists, to the community and the families that have been dehumanized, to be, at least to this man to be also brought to book and answer the same charges.
Amanya gange yenze Nabaseda nankola mu kitongole ekyokubeera n'okutumbula kw'abantu oba kye bayita Community Development Services Department, naye nga ekitongole ekyo kitwala buli muntu ali mu community yaffe. Mu 2017 ewaffe Nazigo mu sub-county mwenkolera ddala twafuna ensonga okuva mu batuuze nga ddala waliwo ab'essabo abaddira abantu 5 balamba ne babatta nga babattidde mu ssabo eryo, naye ng'ekikolwa ekyo kyavumirirwa nnyo era twebaza nti omu ku bo baali bamusalira emyaka 3 era ye bwe yakkiriza n'abeerayo mu kkomera. Ono asembyeyo owookubiri bamusalidde okubeera ng'asiibwa obulamu bwe bwonna obusigadde ku nsi. Era nga naffe ng'abatuuze mu butuufu tulaba nga kintu kirungi, abalala bwe banaalabirako tujja kulaba nga obusamizi obwo obubi ddala mu butuufu kikolwa kibi ddala nga buva mu society yaffe, abalala bayigireko ku mbeera eyo munnaffe gy'agenda okubeera mu kkomera emyaka gye gyonna egy'obulamu egisigadde.
Amannya nze Deo Kigonya, coordinatinga project eno ya Legal Aid Service Program Gender Based Violence ba community watch members mu district y'e Mukono. Omusango oguli mu kooti ogwentegeddeko nti omulamuzi agusaze ogwava mu kutyoboola eddembe ly'omwana n'asaddaakibwa e Nazigo, twagala gutunuulirwe ennyo ne bannamateeka baffe n'ebitongole byonna ebikwasisa amateeka. Tukitegeddeko tulina kye tuyita investigative naffe ba researchers nti omusango ogwo gwalimu owa poliisi nga ye yatwalira ddala omuntu ng'alina ebigendererwa ebibye gwe baasaddaaka mu ssabo eryo. Twagala ab'obuyinza n'ebitongole ebinoonyereza byonna, police, judiciary, bitwale obuvunaanyizibwa okulaba nti n'owa poliisi oyo naye bimukwatako naye atwalibwe ng'amateeka bwe gagamba. Ekitongole kyennyini ekiteekwa okukwasisa amateeka bwe kiba ate n'abantu baakyo nga bo babikkirirwa, ekyo tekijja kumalawo bikolobero ebiri mu community bye tulwanyisa.
Nze Collins Kafeero, nze nvunaanyizibwa ku ddembe ly'obuntu Kayunga district. Ekitundu kyaffe bayitayo Kisoga. Omusajja omu tugenda okutuukayo nga batubuulidde nti alina obuwanga musamize naye asaddaaka abantu, era twagendayo ennaku eziwera ne ba RDC n'abakuuma eddembe okulaba embeera zonna, era tukizuula nti mwalimu ebintu ebyenjawulo, obuwale bw'abantu abakyala, mwalimu ebyambalo, mwalimu n'ebintu bingi nnyo n'obuwanga. Naye omusamize bwe yatuuka tugenda okumubuuza kiki ekyaliwo ku nsonga eyaliwo ku olwo, yatugamba nti waliwo wa poliisi omu eyali ayagala okukuzibwa, naye ng'ate okuzibwa kwe yali alina okuleeta omuntu amusaddaaka, era n'ebintu byonna omusamize nga wabinyonyola nti banywa n'omusaayi ne bawugabana, naye olwaleero bwe baba nga bamusalidde omusango adde nsuubira nti wa poliisi tubaye tulowooza nti naye tumunoonya ku lw'obwenkanya mu mbeera zino n'abantu abatyoboolebwa, kubanga abawala abo baana alina gy'ava, alina amaka gy'ava, kati avunaanyizibwa ku baana bonna, abakyala abaliko obulemu, abasajja n'abakadde. Twagala abantu bano okubeerawo, famire ye esobole okubeera nga efuna obwenkanya nti noono naye omusango bamunoonyeza ne bamusalira omusango gwe wamu n'oli okuba bali olwedde bo baali bakkiriza ensonga ne zibaawo nga n'ebintu byennyini tubiraba. So ku lw'obwenkanya nga ffe abatwala eddembe ly'obuntu kuli kuma n'okulitumbula eri abantu bonna n'olw'ekitundu okulaba nga byonna ebyali byogerwa ensi yonna nga batwogerako nga bwe tusaddako abantu biki, tulowooza nti bonna abantu bonna abalina okubeera mu nsonga ezo bandibadde bakwatibwa era ne bavunaanibwa emisango. Naye nsiima eky'omulamuzi kyakoze okuba nti oyo agenda kufuuka ekyokuyigirirako aye n'oli naye okumuwa emyaka 3 nagyo gyali gimala nga atiisiti obulumi bw'abantu bukola kibuba buvuddewo. Naye era tuvumirira ensonga zonna ezaaliwo era twagala buli kimu buli muntu abali eyo bonna waba nga waliwo embeera etambula obubi mutubuulirenga tujja kulaba tubatuukako.
Thank you.